Greetings, beings of light, celebrating your brightness in a densified realm in which you perform exceptionally well. For you have taken it upon yourself to do your best, to look for ways to improve, to find those little gems of wisdom, nuggets of helpful information, life or spiritual hacks, if you will. Today, we wish to provide you with another avenue of not only knowing how special and unique and valuable you are, and that you are indeed aligned with your path, but to provide you with one of the rewards of doing so, which may have eluded you. We are speaking of nature's gifts. Many people who have had objects come to them, blown leaves, a feather, or noticed a rock, or have a bird fly up in front of their face only to depart as soon as it gets a look in their eye. Or perhaps a bug lands on you, or even a piece of paper is blown to you, which may have a synchronous message or a way of contributing to your overall path, which you may be unaware. Anything of nature which attracts your attention has done so for a purpose. The purpose is because you have instructed them to do so. You have given them the marker, the indicator, that at that particular juncture in your linear unfolding, that they were to reach out to you to see if you were ready, you were discerning enough, you were in the now moment, and your awareness was attuned to such energies so that they could give you a message. It could be you find a nut in the forest, or a branch that, or even a piece of wood that just calls to you for some reason. It may have no real value, but the value is inside. So we urge you, when that stuff happens, when you end up with a acorn on your rearview mirror, or you find a piece of nature, do not consider it debris or something to be just swept away. For indeed, that is a moment for you connect not only with that nature, but with more of yourself, to open up and tell the universe that those channels, those indicators, those informational fields are important to you. So we ask you to take any object, provided you can do so safely and convey it, and to get in a relaxed state and give the object a blessing and tell it you would like to receive the message it has for you. And then tell it, I am open, and place it on your pineal, your third eye. Now, this is but a permission slip in the Bashar language, but it will help you focus. And after a while, you will have activated that frequency and you will no longer need the physical accoutrements to receive your message. You may just honor and respect and send that object love and then ask for the message. It is also important before you disturb those divine objects to ask permission. Perhaps they are have a mission all their own and they are better off where they reside. They may just be able to give you that information without moving, or they may be looking for the joyous wonder of new surroundings and new energies in which to radiate and absorb. So when you see your messages, whether they are in the sky, on the ground, or blowing to you through a helpful spirit of breeze, please think about that and know it has meaning inside the meaning. And we leave you to your flow of nature, and may all your messages uplift, expand, and excite you.